Hello friends, this video is for the Android developers who want to create e-commerce Android application from WordPress website. In this video, we will cover how to manage fragment activities, JSON response, and how to sign the APK and upload it to Google App Developer Console, and also how to do the SEO to rank your application. This is the Android Studio. The first step is to update the Gradle. And friends, if you missed my last video where we cover about the WordPress WooCommerce API with the WP REST plugin, so watch it by visiting my channel. And this is the first file which have the version 1. By default we have to keep this the same version for the new application, and when we will provide the update we will change it. And this is the manifest file where we will define the permission. You can see I have provided only one permission of internet because my website do not require any additional thing or any other access. And the configuration of different activities. Moving further to the UI where we have fragment activities, etc. This is the main file where we have configured the WP JSON authentication, JWT authentication, etc. So until you will not watch the last video, you will not understand this, but have a quick preview. This is my website where I uploaded the plugin and I am getting the response. You do not have to do anything, all the thing will be automated with the help of the plugin. And you can see the JSON response of my website. In of all the posts we have 9 arrays, but when I will put /1, so I will get the response for the particular post. Similar for the all the products, for the account section and rating, review, everything you will get the response in JSON. Now coming back to the studio, now here we have configured everything like the customer key, customer secret token, and product, whatever things we need, because WooCommerce API provide all the things like coupon and rating, review. If you do not need anything, so you do not involve that here in the WooCommerce API file. Now this is the callbacks, and as we know, in the Android Studio we will get the user interface to create the activities, so this will not difficult for you to develop Android application. But you can see the code in brief for every file. Now we have several activities for checkout activity, favorites activity, home activity, payment activity. And friends, if you want this code, then you can leave your email address in the comment section, and I will mail it to you, and you can modify it to make your own Android application from WordPress website. Now these are the cart adopter, categories adopter. So basically these are the files which we require to make the basic application, and the activities you can make by drag and drop method. And we have separate fragment are the elements like the home screen, sidebar, etc. So 2 or 3 fragments can come in the single activity. Now the next part is to sign the APK, because Google App Developer Console account will not accept the unsigned APK. So after making the application, we will go through this step where we have to choose the destination folder where the key store will save. And friends, do not lost this, otherwise you will be in trouble. because Google will not accept the update. Give any name to your key store. I'm sorry. Suppose key.aluwala for me, and choose a password. Alias is the name of the application, and again the password for the key. The validity of the application could be up to 27 years, but here by default we are getting it for 25, so carry with this. My name, organization unit. Although these are optional fields, but let me provide it. The country code. Now press OK button. Now the master password. If you will lost or you will modify any information, it will ask for the master password first. Now we are done with this. I have some problem with the Gradle, so you will get the key and signed APK on the destination folder. Now making a developer account, and friends, it will cost $25 for lifetime. It's a one-time fee which Google charge without service tax. So let me pay this amount. Now agree the terms and condition, and after that you have to put the debit or credit card detail to pay this amount. This is the personal detail when you will make the payment. So you will come to the dashboard, which will look like this. Now here you will give the name of the application, email address, all the developer information, which will be live at the application page also. So cross check it twice. Your contact number, email preference, and complete registration. Now the next step will be uploading the APK and provide the images in several resolution and in different width and heights. For this you can use Photoshop or Paint. Paint will not work when you will make the PNG images, so you can make high resolution images on Photoshop. Now give a title of your application and upload the signed APK which we did before. Now choose the APK from the destination, and I have already done all the activities before, so I will not do it again. So coming to the store listing part, you can have an overview. Here I mentioned the title and some keywords in description and in full description which will rank my application. And below this we can see the images in several resolution and in these dimension which you can make on Photoshop. You can modify these later on as well, and your changes will be live in 15 minutes, and uploading application could take up to 45 minutes. Now this content rating area is a questionnaire part where we will give the information about our application, what the application is all about, and at what age people can use this. Suppose it is e-commerce, so my site do not have any violent material, any adult content, no. Language offense, no. No. And everything, no. Instead of, if you are dealing with the medicines or drugs, then make it yes, otherwise every button will be no. Now the price and distribution, it will be for the paid apps. I want to provide my application for free, so it will not work for me. But if you want to give it as a paid application, then you can also go to the service and API, where you will get this code which will authenticate the payment. And you also need the merchant account for this, where you will get the payments. And in the notification, my application is live and all the updates are also live. So let's open the Android Studio. Now we can see our live app on the Android Studio, where we will see the description which will help to rank our Android application on the top. So it must have some keywords, otherwise you will not get your listing at the top. Now you can see my live application. Now we also can see these images and the description of the application, your name, email address, everything. So friends, if you want the code of this application and you want to modify it, so you can leave your email address in the comment. I will mail it to you. If you also, the last part is to check the analytics of your application, how much downloads your application got. We can see this in the form of graph. And coming back, you can also choose the filters to check the data time by time. And similarly, we will do it for the rating and review and the comments of the customers. If you liked my video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you want the source code, leave your comment and download the application if you want to see the preview, what the output of this code. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.